Right guys, getting ready to go fishing. Right on top. This is for Christmas. Cut. Oh yeah. Ready? Got me coffee? Oh, tea, sorry. Got me tea, juice. All my bakes are ready. Just got the bakes out of the fridge. Just doing myself a sausage sandwich. I'll take the gas today. But I'll show you why in a bit. Sausage sandwich, ready. Some crisps. Take some biscuits. Cup of tea and biscuits. Right. See you down the lake. Tight lines. Right, this is why I'm not taking the gas. I'm taking the scooter. Rods setting, ready. Mag's ready to go on. And now we're going. See if I can get down now. Ta-ta for now. There's me on my way. Warming up. Here we go. Ta-ta for now. Well, I'm here. Lakes. Lovely, jubbly. So yeah, it took me about 5 minutes to get here. That view. Hey, can't beat it. Right, anyway, I'm gonna crack on, get my gear on. And then get my new baits out and see how we do. Right, I'm going to try chili first. Chili boilies, and got chili dip. Chili boilie first. Put one on there, Rick. Better. Ow. Just like that. And then I'm going to put some in it. Web. Right. I've got the instructions on how to use a web. Okay. Look at that. A few of these in here. Ooh, I'm getting old. What the fuck was I just doing that? One of them days. Just put that in the middle there. Look it onto there. A couple of times. Right, that's that done. Already. Right. Chili bit, PVA friendly. Oh, it stinks. Oh. Put that in there. All set. Right, let's cast the bastard out. Anyway. Right, that's one bait out. Now set my other one up. Right, now I'm gonna use my garlic bread ones. more I need. These do have an effect, these garlic bread ones. I've had a few runs on them, man. Like I said, I think I made them too big. Small trees down, huh? Yeah, it smells good. Some in there. Oh. At least with this mesh you can get right on the bait, you know what I mean? You get it all out at the same spot. A bit one for this one. A bit of bait out there. Oh, it's thin, man. Smell it. I'm always losing stuff. I've lost my scissors now. I don't know where the hell I put them. Oh, that was a nice jump over that way. That's where I'm going. Where the hell are my scissors? I'll chuck them back now. Don't know why I did that. Just a nice splash where I'm fishing when I'm going to fish, man. That's good. Hopefully I don't spook them too much. Spooked that one when I cast that one out. It was right next to it when I cast it out. So I'll try and get this in the middle of it so it spreads evenly out the bait. And it is the water. Okay. Shake this up. Bloody dog walkers. Do your head in. Go in there. Okay, gently. Like that. Ooh, look at that. Measured garlic. That's all we was done. All baited up now and ready. So garlic versus chili, shall we? Let's see what happens. Don't know, do we? Yeah. I'm hoping I'll get something soon. Speak to you soon.
Is it on, Jeff?
Yeah. Get off that line.
I thought you had one on that other line, man. I'm looking at your fucking throat thinking,
Get off that line.
come on, get over the top of it. Yeah, you get over that rod. You got it. There you go. Have a look at that one.